Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you are a B.Tech or BE student or a recent graduate looking for an early career opportunity in software development, Python, AI/ML, then this opportunity can be very interesting for you. In this video, we have GKN Aerospace and they have opened a trainee technology position in Bangalore. And in this video, I'll explain everything about this hiring. So make sure you are watching this video till the end. And before we start, if you are new here, then please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, because on this channel we regularly cover off-campus hirings, walking drives, latest hiring update, and make sure you are also pressing the bell icon so that you will never miss any hiring update. Now let's discuss about this hiring. So our company is GKN Aerospace, and this is a well-known company. They are hiring for the role of trainee technology. Location will be Bangalore, and company is offering a 15-month training program, and main objective of this program is to recruit and develop engineering trainees through different phases of learning. And during this program you can work on real time projects, real world business problems, and you'll receive support, training and mentoring from experienced engineers. Best hiring we currently have. So now let's discuss other thing about this hiring. So first, look at the eligibility. So according to the job posting, candidates should have a bachelor's, BE or B.Tech degree in areas such as computer science, information technology, data analytics, and artificial intelligence and machine learning. And company also expects candidates to have a good communication skills, a willingness to learn. Now one important point is that they haven't mentioned any specific graduation batch such as 2026 or 2027. So if you are from 25 batch, 26 batch or 27 batch, I think you guys are eligible. You can try by applying, and this is a very simple application process. Just visit the official link given in description, fill your basic details, upload your resume and then apply. And if you got shortlisted, then they will contact you. So they haven't mentioned any specific batch, so I cannot say that only this batch apply or only that batch apply. If you have relevant skills and you are interested in this training program, then you can definitely apply. Okay, and now let's talk about the application process, because there is one important thing I want to clarify, that when you open the application form you will notice that company is asking for reference as part of the application, and form ask for details such as referee name, organization, position, contact number. But don't confuse this with employee referral hiring. The job is not mentioned as a referral only opportunity. This is a off-campus hiring, and these referees are requested for the purpose of reference checking. And the application form specifically says that company will not contact the referees until they seek your permission. So if you don't know anyone working at this company, then don't worry, you don't need to give a this company employee reference. If you are a student or fresher, or a suitable referee could potentially be someone who knows your academic or professional work, such as your professors, faculty member, project mentor, internship mentor, or previous supervisor. If you have done any internship, then provide their details. Okay, and if you don't have any referees, then leave those fields blank, because this is not mandatory to fill those fields. Okay, And now once again, that's not a reference based hiring, it is a regular application with a reference check section included in the application process. And after completing the application, make sure your resume highlights your Python, SQL, AIML, data science, software development, or other relevant project experiences. So overall, this GKN Aerospace Trainee technology opportunity is definitely worth checking out. And if you found this video useful, then please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.